What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to Volume 2 of spicy Robert Graham shirts that were 50% off. Look how fucking cool this shirt is. These are all little skulls, by the way, which I think is just, like, really neat. Should I just do the channel like this now, like a Binging with Babish thing, but with hair products? Maybe not. Anyway, today we're here to take a look at the brand new drops from BluMaan. We have the Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. It's been a minute since we looked at a BluMaan product, and these were just recently added to the lineup. So these are, they're calling them Revive and Replenish, and basically the whole idea is that they're meant to be very moisturizing, nourishing, hair strengthening, all the, you know, good stuff that I want in a shampoo and conditioner. So, we got a lot to talk about, so let's not waste any time. Let's crack into a bitch and get started. Starting out with packaging and pricing, each of these are going to come in these 10 fluid ounce or 296 milliliter plastic bottles with pop tops. And now if you buy these individually, they're going to run you $24.50 each. They are currently running some kind of promotion thing where if you buy them together, you save 5% or something. There is also the bundle option, which is marked at $61 and is currently on sale for $58, which is both of these and one of those silicone massaging brush things. I was gonna get the bundle because, so they offer free shipping for orders over $50, and if you buy just these two together at $24.50 a piece, it comes out to $49 total. So you literally just miss out on the free shipping that way, which is kind of a bummer. So I thought about buying the bundle to save on the shipping, but the shipping wasn't bad. It was like $5, so it was still cheaper to just get both of these. And because I honestly don't have any use for that silicone thing. I don't. Some people might like it. I think it's basically just to like massage your scalp. I've seen some stuff, not BluMaan related, but just like in general, I've seen those brushes claim to be like great for detangling or something. I don't know. To me, it was like a $12 item that I'm like, I would use this once and then be like, yeah, and then never use it again. So like, why? I'll just pay the $5 for shipping. It is also, I just wanted to mention, each of these do come in a cardboard box, and the box is like what lists the ingredients and stuff. I apparently recycled my boxes because they're not down here, so I don't have those on hand. But I mean, they're boxes. They look like this. So in terms of the look, I like this more than their like brightly colored rando animal packaging. I feel like this just looks more, brand worthy. I don't know. Like it just looks more like a normal, like, oh, it's shampoo and conditioner. Like it doesn't need to have, I don't know, floof. So I will quickly read. There's a little blurb about each one on the back. So for the shampoo, it says, clean, natural feeling hair starts in the shower. BluMaan's Nourishing Shampoo uses a unique addition of vitamin E beads that burst as you massage them into your hair, providing a concentrated dose of moisture. The result is stronger, smoother, and healthier looking hair. It also says, formulated without sulfates and parabens, includes natural ingredients and botanicals. Made in the USA. The conditioner blurb is similar, so it says, dry hair no more. BluMaan's Nourishing Conditioner uses a balanced blend of premium natural ingredients and botanicals to hydrate and smooth each strand. And then it has the same bit about the vitamin E beads and smoother, stronger, whatever, healthier hair. So the shipping thing aside, I've seen some people talking about, they're like, oh man, it's really like expensive. I think this is a totally normal price. And honestly, they're 10 ounce bottles. And most of the time, like if I'm buying a set of Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner, I believe off the top of my head that those are like $28 each. I'll put it up on screen if I'm wrong. But most salon brands that you're going to be paying a premium for come in 8 ounce bottles. So you do get a little bit more product here, which is nice. All right, now it's time for everybody's favorite category. Ooh, these flip nicely. We got to talk about, oh, that's what I wanted to do. That's saying. So these are scented differently, and we'll go with the shampoo first. That's pretty tasty. This reminds me very much of the smell of Ex Mondo products. Like Ex Mondo has the signature scent that's on all their products, which is kind of like a cherry blossom, a bunch of other stuff mixed in it. This is very reminiscent of that. It's not exactly the same, but it reminds me a lot of that, and I like that scent a lot, so I like this. Now the conditioner. This one definitely smells more floral to me. Like the shampoo is a little more like, I don't want to say sweeter, but it's a little floral, but it's got kind of like a fruitier vibe. This one, the conditioner, smells a little bit more like florally, soapy. Also a nice scent. So yeah, I mean, I have no complaints about it. They smell nice. All right, now for ingredients. We're not going to go through the whole ingredient list because the ingredient lists on shampoos and conditioners are exhaustive. So we're just going to talk about the kind of the key ingredients that they're mentioning here for each one. So in the shampoo, we have panthenol. Panthenol is great for your hair. That is a provitamin of B5. It's just really great for smoothing and just making your hair feel really silky soft. It says here, yeah, combat damage by strengthening the hair, retaining more moisture, and improving texture. So yeah, I agree with that for sure. Witch hazel extract. Now this is interesting. This is something that does show up in a lot of cosmetics. Witch hazel is used a lot in skin products as well. You'll find it in a lot of like toners and stuff. Witch hazel is basically an astringent that's used for its cleansing, but also like some kind of anti-inflammatory properties. So this says here, cleanse while calming your scalp with this natural astringent that's rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties. So yeah, accurate. It is worth mentioning, witch hazel on its own, just because it's an astringent, it can be a little bit drying to the skin, but I mean, the amount that's in here and mixed with all the other moisturizing stuff, that's totally not a concern. So that is definitely, I could see that just being in here for like the anti-inflammatory properties for your scalp. We also have vitamin E. So this is the main thing. Both of these have these vitamin E beads. There's little blue beads in there that you'll see when we get into the demos. So we're saying here, beat breakage with vitamin E beads that nourish the scalp and strands by reducing oxidative stress and preserving the protective lipid layer. As far as the conditioner, so we have panthenol in there as well. We have burdock root, which says prevent frizz by smoothing and revitalizing hair while soothing your scalp. Yeah, burdock root is another one that I see, it's more common lately in things. Vitamin E, again, the beads. We've got beads. And then the conditioner also has fenugreek and vitamin A, which are meant to provide some more fullness and kind of reinforce the just overall strength of your hair strands, and in a way promote more hair growth, or healthy hair growth, as it were. So one thing I wanted to quickly mention, they do give you instructions on these, I mean, as they should, I guess. So for the shampoo, it says wet hair and hands and squeeze a quarter size amount onto your palm for 5 to 6 inches of hair. That's a lot. I have like 6 inches of hair right now, and a quarter of that is a lot. I mean, you can use that, but it's going to be kind of overkill. I would say like a dime to a nickel size amount is enough. Now it says step 2, activate. Rub your wet hands together to spread the formula and activate the vitamin E beads. It does actually say activate in quotes, which I feel is appropriate, because I don't think you're really activating anything. You're just, I mean, when you put shampoo in your hands or whatever, you're gonna want to like spread it around so you don't just have like one concentrated blob. So it just makes it easier to evenly apply to your hair. I tried this, I put it in my hands and I was like, ah! And the beads were still beads. Which is interesting though, because I found, regardless of how much I did this first, once I got them into my hair and then you go and like massage it into your scalp, then they seem to dissolve like really fast. So interesting stuff. I just, my take on it is you don't really have to activate it by doing it. It's going to activate the beads by dissolving them when you massage it into the hair. Anyway, step 3, thoroughly wet the hair and work from root to tip for 30 seconds without rinsing to build up a rich lather, which it does lather very nicely. Rinse as normal and then follow up with the conditioner for the healthiest strands. The conditioner instructions, same thing, quarter size into your palm. Again, that's a lot. Activate rubbing in the hands. Activate by rubbing in your scalp. It's fine. Thoroughly wet the hair and work from ends to roots for 1 to 3 minutes to lock in moisture, then rinse as normal. So yeah, I mean, standard, put your conditioner in. Some people get really adamant about if you say like, oh, massage the conditioner in your scalp, people will be like, don't fucking do it, build up scalp. Which I guess, I don't know. I've never had a problem with buildup. But yeah, and especially if you have longer hair with conditioner, you really want to, you don't have to get it like in the scalp. It's more about the mids and the ends and everything. But yeah, leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes so it has some time to soak in, rinse it out, and you're done. Yeah, so that was a lot of information. So with all that being said, let's take a look at the demo footage and see how this stuff works. So we're starting out here with a second day hair that is full of product. So like my hair's looking pretty oily. I definitely need a wash. So we're going in and wetting everything down, thoroughly soaking my head. And then we're going in with the shampoo. As you can see, it does work into a really nice lather. And so yeah, as I mentioned, rubbing the beads between your hands doesn't really seem to do anything for me, but they do dissolve and work in very quickly and easily once you're actually massaging it into the hair. And it does, you feel it breaking up any product in there right away, so it does give you a nice cleanse. It rinses out cleanly, and you definitely want to follow up with a conditioner, so like it doesn't feel overly dry. I mean, it does, you feel some moisture left in there, but it's definitely, especially as a person like me with coarse wavy hair texture, just always use conditioner. Don't leave conditioner out. So then we're going in with the conditioner here, just working it in a little bit, letting that sit for a minute, rinsing that out. And then, yeah, so what I can say after that, when the hair is still damp after washing and conditioning, my hair does feel very nice and soft and moisturized, and combing through it, there's really like no knots or tangles, which is something that I always look for in a good shampoo and conditioner set. So that was really nice. And then of course finishing it up here by just blow drying it, and we can see that my hair is looking nice and shiny. It is definitely very soft and silky and just bouncy. It doesn't feel weighed down. So the conditioner is very moisturizing, but it doesn't weigh the hair down. It doesn't feel, you know, oily or anything like that. It is a nice balance. Yeah, so overall thoughts. My titty. I got stabbed. Overall thoughts on the BluMaan Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. I quite like these, man. Y'all know I'm not a massive fan of any of their stylers. When I first got into reviewing products, I was like real big on the original Meraki and Cavalier Clay. But then since I've been reviewing hair products, I've used hundreds of other things that I feel like just work better than all those. So, but these, I really think that they did something really good here. I think easily for me, these are the best products in the BluMaan lineup, like hands down. And I do agree with their whole kind of philosophy that like having good hair does start in the shower. If you're using cheap, just dog shit, $3, you know, 4-in-1 shampoo, body wash, beard wash, whatever, trash can stuff, your hair's gonna be dry as fuck. So regardless of what you want to use, I always recommend that people spend a little bit more money to get something of higher quality, and always get a conditioner. But yeah, I mean, it's got some good stuff in here. Panthenol's great, vitamin E is great, you know, burdock root, witch hazel, all that stuff. It is definitely, they're all things that are commonly used these days in cosmetics and hair products for their smoothing, moisturizing benefits. So yeah, I mean, they're good formulas. One minor complaint / drawback for me personally, being a person who does, you know, vibrant hair colors, these are not marked as specifically color safe. So as you can see, my hair was bright pink. This has been several weeks now that I haven't been, you know, re-upping the color or anything. So I will say, when using these compared to something that is marked as color safe, or especially something that's marked as color extending, like the Amica Keep Your Color or whatever it's called, or like the Ex Mondo, I can't remember names right now, but his color extending shampoo and conditioner, I did experience a lot more color bleed with these BluMaan ones. But obviously, if you don't have vibrant, you know, semi-permanent color in your hair, that doesn't matter for you. But aside from that, I think they have a really solid shampoo and conditioner here. And like I said, for me, these are the best BluMaan products to date, I think. They're the most effective, and they do the best job at accomplishing what they're meant to accomplish, in my opinion. So yeah, that, again, hit me the pointy end in the titty. There. So that wraps things up for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Please do stay tuned. Lots more stuff I'm trying to catch up on. I think coming up next, I have this here Fusion from Gerson & Company and Betterman Grooming. got some new spicy surprises coming. Also, I'm planning on doing a video very soon, a skincare video with a professional esthetician. I'm thinking about doing something like looking at all the sketchy skincare that's on Instagram, or like busting some skincare myths. So if there's specific things that y'all would like to see about skincare, be sure to mention it in the comments below so I can include that in that video. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, because still like 80 to 85% of my viewership is not subscribed. It's free, man. And as always, thank you so much for coming by and watching. We'll see y'all at the next one.